Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Wonderful Wednesday. Man, last night's dinner was excellent. The photo and videos don't do it justice. It was a 3-part meal. Pork medallions, which has the recipe. The pork medallions, that's just part of it. It has a mustard, balsamic vinegar, mustard sauce with, I used, you could use honey or you can use maple syrup. It's very good. Very, 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 very good. Which I partnered up with my potato mayonnaise. Basically, it's layered potatoes cut very thin on a mandolin with grilled sauteed onions and butter. I always overcook it, but it's always so good. And then I put that with homemade creamed corn. I love creamed corn. I know some people don't, but I do. I love it. Tonight is a mixture of 2 regions. One region here in the United States, Cajun, with a Mediterranean dish. The Cajun dish is Cajun shrimp with bell peppers and corn. And the second dish is a Mediterranean pasta salad, which I will be blending my own za'atar spice blend. Yes. So let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Those are for two different, you know what I mean. Shrimp, on sale. It was on sale last week at Rayleigh's Bel Air, 21.25s. That's a pound. I'll clean it up later. Using frozen corn, 2 red bell peppers. I'll be using half of this red onion, some olive oil for the stir frying. My Cajun blend, and actually, the recipe only calls for pepper. Of course, there's garlic in it. The jar of dried parsley is to remind me that I need to go and get some fresh parsley for garnish. The Mediterranean pasta salad, I'm using a penne pasta. The garlic's in the middle because there's some garlic in this. 1 red bell pepper. The recipe calls for a Persian cucumber, but it's okay to use an English cucumber in this case. Green onions, garbanzo or chickpeas, sun-dried tomatoes, some mint, some mayo, some oregano, some chopped olives, lemon juice, and there's lemon juice in the Cajun dish, feta cheese, harissa sauce, or harissa paste actually. I'm using the spicy. And here's my ingredients for the za'atar spice blend: oregano, sumac, marjoram, whole thyme, and fine sea salt. So that's all the goodies. Later on today, if I'm not too tired, an old friend of mine, Anthony Meyer, has a new product line from the Butte Sauce Company. As you can see, these are still closed. I have not opened them up. I'm hearing great things about them, but I will be breaking these open either today, if not tomorrow, and be doing I'm still having issues with my camera system, but I am going to at least record the tasting of these hot sauces. And I hear through the grapevine, through Anthony himself, that he's got a couple more in the works that are looking really good, or actually tasting really good. So big shout out to Anthony and his company, local company. I'm going to be putting something together. You can only buy the products online at this moment. I will get that all to you very shortly, I promise. So, Cajun shrimp with bell pepper and corn, and a Mediterranean pasta salad for today. The weather's supposed to be beautiful today here in Yuba City, California. wherever you are, stay cool, stay hydrated. On this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking.